Thank you for your interest in this course, Introduction to Java, a presentation of Coding Boot Camps. Again, this is Java Programming Language Fundamentals, how to write code in Java. A little bit about myself. My name is Jim Sullivan. I am a senior blockchain and software development instructor here at DC Webmakers. As a software engineer, I lead an expert team in blockchain development. I'm also experienced with DevOps, cloud, application development, and the safe agile methodology. I am a blockchain expert as well, and I know Hyperledger, Ethereum, and Corda. There are no prerequisites for this Java course. Our topics are the fundamentals of the program development lifecycle, application development fundamentals. We are going to look at creating Java classes and objects, flow control, writing Java methods, data structures such as arrays. We're going to do a deep dive into classes and objects, and we're going to define classes using inheritance, increase convenience by using polymorphism, and then finally writing to files and streams. What you'll learn by finishing this course, you'll learn the basics of Java application development and some other classes to consider. Learn blockchain development with Corda, Java programming intermediate level, and then learn Kotlin programming by examples. Again, thank you for your interest in this Introduction to Java course, and please take a look at other courses presented by Coding Boot Camps. See you in the session.